Hello everybody, this is Dr. Eldek and this is just introduction to the lab, circuit lab. And all labs will be organized the same way like this. So if you are in circuit lab, if I am teaching any other lab, it will be exactly the same. When you open the course website on Canvas, you will find first home page. And this home page has a name like this, and then it has some information about myself. It's like email, like phone number, and also it has a channel, YouTube channel that has all the videos. So when you open this link here, you will find all the videos required for this course. You go to playlist. So this course, all the courses. So for example, you need to go to the lab. The lab will be, for example, here. You see, this is the lab. So if you click the lab, you will find all the courses. Okay, let's just mute this. So you see here, for example, this is introduction, then experiment number 1, experiment number 2, 3, 4 until number 10. So all of them are here. Okay. Then second menu is online meeting. So what you need to do, you will just click on this button here, and you will go to the online meeting, and it will be in the same time of the lab. Here I believe Tuesday from 3 to 5:50, but this may be different. And also you have to watch for the announcement. The link, what else here? Yes, the link, I sent already the link on the first announcement. Okay, so you need to watch for the first announcement. If you lost it for some time, after, for example, a few weeks, then you can always go to this menu here and click this button here to open the or to enter the class. Next menu is the syllabus, and here all the information you need to know about this lab. Here we'll use the manual. We do not have a textbook. This is just references, information about myself, the list of experiments. The hardware that you will use a device called analog discovery board. Right now, most probably you may need to buy this analog discovery board. It's called Digilant Analog Discovery Board. There are two versions. One analog discovery board 1 is 2, and the analog discovery 2. Any one of them will work. And you need to buy also analog parts kit. This is just for components. You can buy them and you will pay. You will sell them later on. It's not a problem, because if you buy them for a couple $100, for example, then you can, at the end of the semester, you can sell them. If there's a way that we can give the some to you and then you will return them by the end of the semester, I will let you know. There are some software that you will use, software like waveforms, like B2Spice, like MATLAB. All these softwares, especially the waveform and B2Spice, are available on Canvas here. You will find them here. So you can download them under files, you will find them. For this lab, you have each one from lab number 1 is just reading from 2 to 8. So this is 7 labs from A2 to 8, and the number 10. So 8 labs. Each one will be 10%. What you need to do is to look at the exercises and do what is required in the exercises. Okay, and you need to put all this in a document, Word document, and you have to support your document with steps, with the pictures, for you doing the experiment. So once you do, for example, the circuit, you need to take a picture for it and then upload it. And then, for example, you have some solutions on the computer. You just take a picture and you add it to document, and so on. It is not a formal report, so it is informal. So informal. So it's okay. You can just put the steps of your solution. You just show me that you did the work. Okay. So this for lab number 2 to 8 and lab number 10. But for lab number 9 or experiment number 9, this is, you need to do the same experiment also. It is just steps, but you have to do it in terms of formal report. The formal report format is described in this experiment here, number 9, and also you will find a sample at the end of the lab manual. So the total here, you see 10% times 8 is 80, plus 25, so it is 105. This means that you have a 5% bonus. Then now, when you go to the modules, everything is organized under modules. So under modules, for example, this is just introduction to the lab. So this video, for example, will be here under ECE L220 introduction. You will find it here. The syllabus, when you click this file, for example, you will find the syllabus. There it is. You can download it, of course. And also the lab manual. Lab manual, this has all the labs, all the experiments are there, everything. Okay, so if you want to download it as one file, that's fine. You can do it like this. Then after that, this is a verification of enrollment. You need to upload it and fill it and return it back, or submit it back to me. And then some information for you. This is added by Canvas, not by myself. The orientation instructions, student introduction resources, all this you need to go through this. So this is before you do the lab. You just need to look at this stuff here. Second here is organized in experiment. Experiment number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Each experiment, under each module, it has all the information you need. For experiment number 1, for example, this is the experiment itself. Sorry. This is the experiment itself. So you see, for example, this is just read only, and you need to go through this. Okay, the steps here. Just need to read it. Information about the experiments. Then after that, you will find a video related to this. So what you need to do here is to watch this video. This video is very important. I'm explaining what you need to do in the experiment. Part of this experiment, for example, is to read the general lab safety policy. And also this is just a manual for the equipment that you will find in the lab. So you will find everything related to this is under experiment number 1. For the next experiment number 2, 3, it will be easier because you just need to look at the experiment itself and the video for the experiment. So this is the experiment. You see experiment number 1, number 2, and it will you need to go through these steps here. Okay, so for example, this is about B2 Spice. This is the software to make this circuit, and then you need to follow these steps step by step after you install the software, and then you do it. Okay, and at the end there's an exercise. This is what you need to submit at the end. And as I said, everything is explained in the video. This video here, experiment number 2 video, and the same for number 3, 4, 5, 6 has 2 videos, 7 has 2 videos, 1 and 2. 8 also has 1 video here. 9 has, this is the one for formal report. You have the experiment itself. You have 2 videos, and this is a sample for the report. As I said before, all these PDF files are already in the manual. So you can download it as one file, or you will find it here also. This experiment number 10, you see experiment number 10 PDF, and then these 2 videos also. That's it. So this is all what you need to know about the lab. After that, proctoring, you don't need it because there's no final exam here. Grades, you will find the grades here and attendance, and you have to watch for the announcement. If there's anything, I will let you know in the announcement. Thank you very much, and I hope that you enjoy the lab. See you in the first lab next week. Goodbye.